Our next Quest for the Best award recipient is Brandon Lim. Brandon is a senior double majoring in psychology and journalism with an emphasis in media studies. He is also pursuing a minor in sociology. His involvements include professional studies in Fine Arts College Council, Mortarboard Honor Society, the Asian Pacific Student Alliance, and the SDSU Writing Center. He has volunteered with the Japan Society of San Diego and Tijuana and the Asian American Psychology Association. He has also been honored with the Avocado 200 Club Bowling Scholarship and as the Outstanding Representative and Outstanding Student Advocate through the Professional Studies in Fine Arts College Council. Brandon's advisor said of him, as a student, he presents as intelligent, ambitious, committed, hardworking, and always eager to learn. Brandon's academic achievements are even more impressive knowing how he balances his academics with his work, extracurricular, and volunteer experiences. One of Brandon's most noticeable qualities is his kind, caring, generous, and loving heart. He has the ability to relate to students in such a way that allows those who interact with him to feel valued, appreciated, and heard. He makes everyone around him feel happy and valued. After graduation, Brandon will pursue a master's in student affairs or psychology in order to continue serving students in higher education. Brandon is honoring Dr. Kimberly Nishi from Counseling and Psychological Services. Dr. Nishi, thank you for your mentoring. We will now watch a video with some remarks from Brandon.
This is Brandon Lim from San Diego, California, and I am extremely honored to be a recipient of the Quest for the Best award this year. In a sense, I view this award as validation that I have left behind a legacy of servant leadership in my 5 years at SDSU. I believe that I have given a lot of myself as a student leader to the communities I represent and serve and empower, and I think a lot of my fellow honorees can attest to this as well. Therefore, receiving this Quest for the Best award is both rewarding and personally gratifying. As a queer student leader of color, I have found that finding community has been one of the most challenging yet rewarding aspects of navigating university life. I joined several different student organizations on campus, hoping to find that sense of community. And I'm happy to say that I found that community within the Asian American Pacific Islander student organizations and programs within the Center for Intercultural Relations at SDSU. More specifically, that community space has been the Epiphany Workshop program. This program, for which I'm an intern, serves to uplift and empower the Asian American Pacific Islander campus community through workshops focusing on mental health and social justice. I believe that this program has fundamentally changed my college career because it has given me a sense of direction and purpose as to what I want to do in life. To that end, I owe a great deal of gratitude to Dr. Koko Nishi from Counseling and Psychological Services, who co-founded this program. Under her guidance and support, I have really grown as a person, as a student, and as a student leader, and I am extremely grateful to her. I would also like to thank my family and friends who have continuously supported me throughout my journey at SDSU. Without their encouragement and support, I feel that I could not have done as much as I have done at SDSU. So thank you to them, and thank you to the selection community for everything that you have done to recognize and support student leaders like me. Thank you so much again, and I really appreciate this award. Thank you.